Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping your comp so color removal works predictably. Import the green screen clip and target background, then create a comp that matches resolution and frame rate. Place your green footage on the top layer and the replacement background below so you can instantly see results as you work. Once done, enable motion blur or time remapping if the shot has motion. This ensures edge sampling and keyframes behave correctly while you key. You apply keylight and immediately sample a neutral green in the frame using screen color. Then you switch to the screen matte view to hone the alpha. Tweak screen gain and balance. Adjust clip black and clip white until solid areas are fully white and transparent parts are fully black. Make sure to use screen shrink/grow and matte cleanup to tighten edges, and treat color spill with dispill bias so your subject retains natural tones versus green contamination. You now switch back to final result and apply color correction to match foreground to the background lighting and color temperature. If edges still look harsh, add a small blur or edge feather and consider motion blur or frame-by-frame rotoscoping for challenging motion. For stubborn spill or holes, track the area and create localized mattes. If things go wrong, sample an alternate green patch, inspect your original lighting, and render a short test clip to isolate and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.